That one's about 2 foot long. He swam over here and decided. Oh, what he decided? Guess they know it's going to be sunny. Got to get their fish catching and their belly full. He's pretty. Got a gold stripe near his mouth. Drifting in a shady spot. He fell out twice. We hit a log one time and she went off sideways. Yeah, so the river splits in 2 or 3 different ways at different times, and this is like a third of it here, or maybe a half, I don't know. So like there's a couple little other places. Water's pretty clear. See the minnows chasing me, staying near me to keep from being fish bait or whatever, fish food. Right there's a water moccasin out here doing what he does, I guess, looking for the little fish. I'm trying to get my dog bit. And there's no guarantee when he takes off he'll go the other direction. That's the thing about him. He's about 1.5 foot. Huey, you ain't even worried. There's a water moccasin. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it floats on top. PV, do you even see it? I know you looked at it. Do you even care? You ain't afraid. Ain't afraid, or they don't appear to be afraid. PV. What are you doing? I'm going to try not to drop this phone and paddle and videotape and go over here in the shade for a minute and take a break. It's kind of sunny. It's already like 9 o'clock. Got a late start. Here's a shady spot. And Pee Wee wants a sunny spot, I'm sure. She's over there. Nature at its finest. A drink? That's where we came from. That log is huge. And that's where we're going. Fixing to get into a little hot spot. I'm going to blast through it. I've been blasting through it, I guess. Oops. Oh. Poor little guy. He landed right on that root. I don't know if it matters which way I orient this thing. Yeah, panoramic with a little audio, fixing to go through that little skinny water. And that's the beauty of this tiny kayak right there, and not having Polar with me. But I can make it through there with Polar too. Can't we, Pee-wee? Okay, here's I think the second little access point to this alternative route. It's pretty skinny, but it's just perfect for a kayak. Gives you some proximity flying. But other than that, it's pretty much wide until here. You know, that's upstream right there. And that's downstream. But if you cut off to the right here, this is the second opportunity to do so, then it's more fun. That log is something to have that you have to dodge. See that big log over there? So it takes a sharp left. And then it gets real narrow, and well, at least the deep spot gets narrow, so you got to be careful. But there it is over there, and then it gets, you know, dodgy. It's fun. There's always a way through. There's one spot that's a log jam. You got to push your way through the logs. I might videotape that. What do you think, Pee-wee? Pee-wee. Pee-wee. You lick the water off of you? Well, anyway. It's been a beautiful morning. What's going on, Pee-wee? You're supposed to stay. Is that your way of staying? Is that one way to do it? Are you part cat? Midget? Hey, Midget. You ready to go bye-bye? You want to? You hungry? You want to eat? You ready to eat? Midget wants to eat. Baby, what you doing? You want to go back in now? Okay, we'll go back in. God, this thing's 10 feet long. Oh, there. There we go. 10 feet long. You did it. Handphibious. Handphibiously. Dustin, are you going to be handphibious or are you going to be Portobella? Portobota. Polar, what are you licking back there? You making funny sounds from our video. She had to jump in. Should have got a run at it, Dustin. I got to run at it. Use your hand. Not there yet. Oh. He's amphibious too. Oh, I'm running into stuff over here. I'm drifting. I made it. Polar, is it scary? Hey, Polar.
I'll get a picture. Just for...